As a high school math teacher, trying to provide the best learning experience for my students and give students who may not like mathematics a reason for knowing and learning mathematics, the approach I took was to look at my group of students and consider who are the other teachers that touch the lives of these students throughout the day. Most of my students traveled not completely together, but for the most part they were together throughout the day with the same types of teachers. So most of them had the same science teacher. As Algebra 2 students, they were taking chemistry. I went to their chemistry teacher and asked, what are you guys learning in chemistry? What kind of data are you analyzing in chemistry? And then I could take that data that they were using, that they were collecting in their labs in chemistry class, and analyze that in math class so they had a reason for the mathematics we were doing. Similarly, my statistics students, as we were starting to write analysis of the statistics we were doing, the hypothesis testing, I realized that my students who may be really good at mathematics were a little weaker in their writing skills. But as a mathematics teacher, I never really knew how to help them with that. So I went to their English teacher and said, here are some students I'm trying to work with. So she helped me, first of all, identify some strategies I could use in my classroom to help them with their writing about mathematics and statistics. But also, she worked on that in her classroom too. So those are just some easy ways that I was able to integrate with the science teacher and the English teacher informally, because we have the same group of students. So they're all our kids, and we can provide them the best learning experience possible. And what it did is the kids that maybe weren't so good at math, but were really good at English or really good at science, they started seeing a reason for the mathematics. And vice versa, the kids that didn't really care for science or didn't really care for English, they started seeing a reason for those content areas too, because they really liked math and they saw we could use it in math. So it helps break down those barriers between the contents, that they're not silos, but they really work together to make us good learners and good human beings.